How to enable contact key verification in iOS 17.2.
Step 1. Contact key verification is only available if you're upgraded to iOS 17.2 or higher. You can check this by heading to Settings General About or alternatively going from General to Software Update to check for any pending upgrades to your OS. Step 2. Open the Settings app. Then tap your name at the very top of the screen to open Apple ID setting. Step 3. You'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap Contact Key Verification. Step 4. At the very top of the screen, toggle on Verification in iMessage. A pop-up message will appear about setting up contact verification, and you'll want to tap Continue. Step 5. If you have any other Apple devices connected to your Apple ID that don't yet support contact key verification, you'll be met with an error message. Your options are to either update those devices to the appropriate software, or disable iMessage on that device, in my case an iPad. Either option is fine, but you'll need to pick one to continue. Step 6. Once verification is set up, you will be able to see your own personal verification code. Tap Show Public Verification Code to see your code and tap Copy Verification Code so you can share it with your contacts.